This is the Cappsure 1ZB. This is the fourth Cappsure indoor model. Again, this camera records in H.264 720p HD quality and supports up to 64 GB of storage via a micro SD card, which is sold separately. That's enough for up to 4 weeks worth of recording time. It has talkback audio that allows you to have two-way conversation while viewing or via the mobile app. It has software motion detection with phone notifications should this be triggered. The camera has infrared illumination for nighttime viewing, and that works up to 10 meters. The camera comes with mini USB lead and power supply.